I'm on a mission, the market's my canvas. Pine tree trader, that's the name, no need for the panic. Got my screens lit, watching the price move. Every tick, every chart, I'm in my groove. See an inside bar, that's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath, it's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. Apex funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From pine tree trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the outside bar, it's a different scene. It's a power move, a sign of something keen. Engulfing the last one, showing dominance and might. The bears or the bulls, they're winning the fight. It's a reversal signal or a continuation of the trend. Gotta read the context all the way to the end. I'm with Take Profit Trader, they've got my back. Giving me the capital, keeping me on track. No more small accounts, no more holding back. I'm a funded trader, there's no turning back. My trades are clean, my risk is tight. I'm living this life, shining so bright. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From pine tree trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Stratify's the engine, the charts are crisp and clean. Executing orders, a trading machine. Got my stops in place, my target set high. Pine tree trader strategy, under the market sky. This ain't a gamble, it's a calculated art. Every setup I see, I'm playing my part.
Yo!
Pine tree trader, Apex, take profit.
What is up?
Stratify, we're in the game.
What is up? What is up? What is going on? What is going on? I need my hat. Bear with me, guys. I gotta do something here. There we go. Everything's out of adjustment because of my I was using my laptop, so How was everyone's weekend? That's the big question. Market opens up about 5 minutes. Man, I am falling behind. I was scrambling. Kind of lost track of time. There we go. We're getting set up. I can see the chat now. Sorry. All right, let's go. Peter, Lay, Trader 007. It's Mo, Dawood in the house. Design Knob. Corey, the phone trader in the house. I was watching your vlog earlier, Corey. Do I gain more views, Corey? I don't really know. It's kind of an experiment right now. I think that the I've gotten a few subs from it. I was warm enough in the pool to use the pool. Nice design. Disciplined in the house. Feels good to be back. Back to the battle station. Micronesian, next trade. Lou, what's up? Sherry in the house. Aaron, Nate. Wall Street Police put out a good fake guru video recently worth a watch on how the system works. Oh, cool, Nate. I'll check that out. Feel free to post a link in the chat or the Discord or whatever. Be cool. I guess it's called Wall Street Police, right? JC Trades, level 2. Kyle in the house. Tattle, yo. Anthony, Cooper. Turtle Sniper. My weekend was great. Yeah, I was traveling. Traveling back from Florida. Alright, I need an account to trade. What am I going to trade tonight? Okay, let's see here. Protha Gamer, what is up? Oh, yeah, what's her name? Yeah, I know who you're talking about. Yeah, she's smart, but yeah, not really an entertainer for sure. So, how'd you guys do? Friday. I think Friday was pretty good for me. I finished green. I didn't do much trading. I was doing a lot of traveling, so. What am I trading? I am trading NQ. So futures. So I'm going to be trading NQ. So I got two streams going. Actually, I'm gonna put a link to the full version. That's what I'm gonna do. If you guys are on the mobile version, what's up? If you want to see the full screen, you gotta go over to the other side. We will do a giveaway later. Should be fun. So I think I figured out how like what Streamlabs does. So when I'm doing the mobile and the other one, so whoever types or chats first, depending on the platform, that's where Streamlabs works. So we're on the main side right now, which is good. So when we do the giveaway, we can do it on the main side. Yo, his Royal Trades. Weekends are the worst, Nate. Yeah. I basically spent yesterday unpacking, setting my... Oh, markets are open. Here we go. Let's push the button. No, I'm just kidding. Markets are open, guys. Yeah, I spent all day yesterday unpacking and... and setting my computer back up, my cameras, all that stuff. All right, market pushed it up here. So I got these core counts here. Got these 4 core counts. Looking pretty good. Basically I'm looking for $100. Basically I'm gonna base hit it. This one's up $1,886. I just got a payout on it last Friday. And so, or Thursday night, so I want to base hit it and see if I can get $100 and then for 4 more days basically, or 3 more days, and get another payout on it. Anthony, we gotta go over to the full version. This is for the mobile side. I got 2 streams going up. Oh yeah, they're a little tough. Yeah, 1 mini and 5 micros allowed. Yeah, they're a little tough. Yo, NLT. Smash that like button if you guys are just joining. Oof. All right, we're gonna wait. See what we get for a little setup here. Yeah, it's normal for the giant spread. Yeah, sometimes if you're trading NQ and you switch to micros, so like MNQ, the spread's much tighter. It's a little trick. Sometimes you'll see me just trading MNQ at the open, just because of the spreads are tighter. Oh right, yeah, design, yeah. Yo, Tyler, what is up? Yeah, the scaling rule is kind of dumb, for sure. All right, big outside bar here. Johnny FX in the house. Full port them combines. These are actually funded. Yeah, these bad boys are funded. I might switch to a combine though. We'll see. The fees on MNQ, MES, my country is abysmal, not worth the high volume scalping. Yeah, high volume scalping probably not. But yeah, just a few trades. Doesn't seem to affect me too bad. Yeah, design. Yeah, if you don't like that scaling plan, yeah, unless you're using the pro accounts. I don't really mind, but that's just because like it helps me not blow them up. So, like the accounts I can go in with 5 minis, and those are the ones that tend to suffer. Mayor, what's going on? Bitcoin's ripping. Let's go. My funded futures Roman. Do you call them 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar? No, I just whatever the outside bar is, or this first bar I guess is an outside bar. Take a long here. Looking for $100 to lock in. Bang. Locked in $100 on that account. So that account I'm locked up $1,986. On my way to another $1,000 payout. Done on that one. So basically what I was looking for was just the anticipation of the break of that high. We came down, we swept the low, and started to push back up. It looked like it was going to try to test and break that outside bar. And so I just hopped in looking for just a 5-point scalp. No big deal. No biggie. Exclamation point pine in the chat. Giving away an Apex account later tonight. We'll do a moose race. Moose race. Forgot I moved my camera. My camera's lower now. I'm trying to like set up a little mini studio, exciting, so it just doesn't look like I'm in my bedroom. Hung a TV up. Yeah, that kind of stuff. So Trying to play around with these lights and stuff. I got some plans for the back wall back there. We'll see. Yeah, we're clubbing. We just came back from Fort Lauderdale, so we're clubbing. Yeah, we'll see, Nate. Yeah, it looks looking strong so far. Pretty much was pushing up all Friday's afternoon, just kept pushing higher. If you take a look at the daily, still bullish. Looks like we might be breaking out into what appears to be like a kind of a big bull flag on the daily, so something to watch out for. Inside bar, possible inside bar break here if we break Friday's high. Did we just break it? We might have just broke it. Yeah, we just broke Friday's high, so looking pretty bullish at the moment. When am I going to the BDH? I don't know. I'd love to. Yo, Investars, what's up? Yo, John, what is up? Yeah, I was playing around with some lighting and stuff. I got some plans. Just everything's on order. So, I got some plans. So fun. All right, 744 here on NASDAQ. What is gold up to? Let's check out gold. Gold. Trying to push higher off this inside bar. Looking like a nice long off gold. Going long, 1 mini, need 1.5 to get this. Oh, let's go, Roman. Good luck. Enjoying your evening? Nice, Investars. Yeah, me too. It's great. Yeah, I'd love to go on the BDH. Maybe I'll have to win this tournament, or at least come in 5th place to go to the BDH. I am trying to get get in this trade day tournament, affiliate tournament, but I tried to sign up and the code wasn't working, so I sent them an email. Hopefully they get that straightened out. Haven't sent me an email back yet. Josh in the house, what is up? Weekend was great, yeah, just kind of busy, but it was good. Gold pushing up higher. NQ. Inside bar on NQ here. I'm gonna switch to a different account. I don't know if I love it. This feels bullish, but you're short. 741. Possible come back down and test the VWAP. We'll just try it. A little scalp. This could just trap me and then push up higher, but exclamation point Pine in the chat if you guys want to join the giveaway. Smash that like button as well. You have to be over in the full screen version though. Unfortunately. Looks like we might get stopped out on this. I'm gonna flip the switch here. I'm in a long. Breaking that inside bar to the upside now. It's looking strong. See if we can next break the high. Stop below 1740. Tim, what is up? Yo, Cranston White, what is up? Careful, ES didn't take Friday high. That's probably, that might be a good thing, but maybe it actually will push. So close. Yeah, what is it? 703. Yo, Cody, Florida was great. If it's not going down, it's got to go up. That's right. Flip the switch. That's what's nice sometimes about rotating accounts. So let's see if this works. Busy isn't a bad thing. No. An idle mind is the devil's workshop. So I like to stay busy for sure. Alright, see if we can get pushed up here through 750s. Need that break through 750s. Oh, Josh, it was to sit by the pool and drink pina coladas. Want to just grind? Yeah, very well could. Yeah, for sure. I wouldn't mind. Nice grind. Nice outside bar here. Push. Let's give me. Oh, just give me. There we go. Bang. All right, so just locked in another. So these two accounts right here, I really don't want to push that much. So that $100 locked in 2 days. Not really sure where I'm at, but 1172. So this is locked in for max payout as long as I can get maybe 2 or 3 more days of $100 or more, and then this one here, I could push again. So try not to mess around. I'm trying not to overtrade these accounts. These are funded accounts, and I'm just looking for the base hit. It's the prop game. So all right, 756 now, 75. So pretty bullish. Looking for the longs. We broke yesterday's high or Friday's high. Put in an inside bar, and actually it's breaking this bull flag. So looking kind of bullish right now. Who knows? Could push up to 25,000 again tomorrow. Or it could just sweep this highs and turn right back down and end up right down here. We don't really know. But so far looking bullish. Gold. Pushing up higher, 3,800. Kind of just grinding higher off this inside bar. YM. Oh, I don't have the... All I have is the daily up on the YM. Hold on. YM kind of pushing up higher as well. And ES just took out Friday's high. So now I'm going to wait here to see what happens. We could, you know, if we get a pullback here, I'm just going to wait for a reversal candle or something, and but we'll see. Up 120 unfunded. Yeah. 120 is great. I mean, if all of us could get 120 every single day consistently, definitely can get payouts with that. Yo, Coach Fred, what is up? Yo, let's go, Tony. Need the 60 push? I might get it. Doesn't look like it wants to turn back yet. Looking left here. Yeah, 60s right there. Next resistance point. Oh, it's kind of right at the base of it right now. Push it, Roman says. Let's go. Gold's deflating fast. Let's check out gold. Ooh. Yeah. Nice little structure break here. Bouncing off the VWAP though. This is looking a little interesting. Alright, I'm not going to look at it, Fred. I'm not looking at gold. I usually get beat up trading gold. Get my water bottles like in the way of the camera here. I gotta put a new place for my water bottle. Put it over here. I was like, what the heck is in my camera? I changed the camera angle a little bit, so it's a little bit different. All right, getting a little bit of reversal. So what happens? ES came up, took out Friday's high. NQ took out Friday's high, and starting to reverse a little bit. Let's see, what am I on? 871. I am short. I'm just looking for a test of the VWAP here. Stops at the high, risking 200 bucks. All roads lead to the VWAP. Yeah, thanks Israel Trades. Yeah, I'm still tweaking it. I kind of got a little rush. Ooh, there's a little drop there. Look for 740s. See if we can actually break the low of this outside bar's candle. Ooh, holding that low. Push it down here. I just gotta get rid of my double chin. Then I can do a different angle. But I had Wendy's today, so that's not helping. Let's see. 744 here. Look for 740, take profit. Not quite a one-to-one trade. I could go for a one-to-one, but just wondering if it's going to bounce off that VWAPs if we do get pushed down there. Eat it, Tran. Eat it. Now that deer was actually from a while back, a little while ago. But yeah, I eat a lot of deer meat. But yeah, I was just using that as an example. Just a little how it just takes years and years and years of, like, trading and stuff to you can never really master it, but sometimes I feel rushed, you know, this trading game. So it's good to look back and say, you know, just slow down a bit. I don't really like how that pushed up there. Kind of held this low. Only goes up, never forget. That's right. Living the dream, Tran. Yeah, it's if you can get to this point, it's definitely a good career to have. When are we playing the Moose game? 7:45 Eastern time. I didn't like this candle. Kind of missed my TP there just by a few points, maybe 2 points. But we'll hold it. Bottom of the hour here. There we go. Let's see if we can break break the low of this previous candle here. Just give me a little sweep here. A little more of a sweep. Just a little more. Christian, thank you so much for the sub. Appreciate you. Thank you for so much for the subs over the weekend as well. Hopefully we see some new faces here in the chat. I'm sick of all you regulars. I'm just kidding. Appreciate all you guys. Some of you guys have been around since the beginning. Still around, so much appreciated. I feel like I'm being a dick for a tick here. Yeah. Moving my stop here. Risk-free trade. Come on. Technically kind of swept that low there, so probably get stopped out of break even. Yeah, there he goes. That's alright. Risk off trade. We'll look for the next one. Kind of bouncing off that VWAPs. Kind of swept the lows of that outside bar. Gathered up some liquidity off the VWAP and bounced there. So KC Page, thank you so much for the sub. Yeah, the risk-free trades, a good call there too, because it looks like we might bounce here. $750s again. Let's check out ES. What's ES up to? ES came right down to that 15 moving average. I'm gonna change that to the VWAP. I don't use that anymore. I don't use the 15. In case anyone wants to know what VWAP I use the CE VWAP. It's in the community indicators. It's the one I've always used. All right, pushing up higher. Little bull flag right here on a 3-minute. See if we can hold above the 750s. Yeah, got an outside bar here. I might actually try a long here if we break above 750s again. Oh no, Roman, you're getting bounced back and forth. Yeah, I hate that. Yeah, that's the account killers right there. When you get the when it goes back and forth, and you say you go long and you go short, and you go long and you go short, and you get busted up both ways. Yeah, it could definitely kill your account. I know. Might try for a long here if we can get a break above. I'm gonna put a buy stop up. Actually, I don't know why I don't have brackets on. I'm not copy trading. All right, I'm gonna try for a long. Maybe I get filled. All right, I'm filled here. Please do not follow my trades. I'm just an idiot. Just an idiot YouTuber. You don't want to follow any idiot YouTubers. But I am long 52. Looking for a break of the high. Move and stop here. Taking some risk off. Risking 1-to-1 now. Just need to sweep that high and we should be good. Too close to put in a break-even stop. Lost the combine. It's alright, Roman. It's all good. Guys, smash that like button if you guys are just tuning in. Appreciate it. We will do a giveaway later. If you're over on the full screen version of the stream, please put in !Pine in the chat. I'm giving away any size Apex account. Let's see. Here we go. Bang. All right. So knock that one out. Another $100 on that. Yo, Myth, what is up? All right, 764s now. So this trade right here, basically, it was just kind of reading the price action. We put in this kind of a tombstone candle, and we actually took the short, but it just missed us by like 1.5, like I don't know, maybe 2 points, and bounced off this VWAP and put in another outside bar. I checked out the smaller time frame. It kind of looked like it was putting in a bull flag. So I looked at the 3 minute and put in a nice bull flag off the 3 minute. And so with the break of the outside bar in the bull flag, I was just looking to take the long and take out the high again. So that's all that setup was. So yeah, so up $100 on each one of these my funded future core accounts. You only need 5 days of $100 or more to get a payout. So these accounts are looking marvelous. This account down here with the lowest balance, 562, down 139. So yeah, so I call these pro accounts, these core accounts, pay the bills accounts, because the max payout is $1,000. Now I have to do the 80-20 split, so I only get 800, because I'm over, have over $10,000 worth of payouts, so I get $800 each. But you know, if you got 5 accounts, $800 a pop every 5 days, it's a nice chunk of change. But it's not easy. Thank you, His Royal. We are pushing higher now. The criteria getting paid out. So basically on the KC is the My Funded Futures core accounts is you need 5 days of $100 or more. If you get, say, you can actually withdraw into the buffer, so you can withdraw the whole thing. So if you, let's just say you are up on day 5 or day 6 and you've had 5 days of $100 or more and you're at $1,000, you can withdraw 900. You have to leave $100, but you can draw 900. Let's just say you're up $1,100 and you take the max payout of 1,000. You can take the $1,000, but it's, you know, you blow the account essentially. So you withdraw into the buffer and you have to start over. These are core accounts. These are 50K accounts. If you guys are interested in My Funded Futures, you guys know what to do. You guys can use code PINE to help support this channel, and I would appreciate it. Alright, we're just kind of sitting and waiting here. I already placed quite a bit of trades already. Short. JC Trades, good luck. Pushed up there to 766. What's gold up to? See if gold, that short kept going. It did not. See, I was tempted to hop in this engulfing candle short, but I got scared. So I'm gonna stay away from gold. Gold doesn't like me. I'm gonna switch to this other account here, the one that's down. We'll look to look for the next trade. All right, 766, pulling back a little bit, 760. Overall, the market looks really bullish, kind of just grinding higher. If you look at the hourly here, Logical Thinker, what is up? Feel like I can watch myself. Look, Mom, on TV. Oh, is that a big spider? That is a big spider. I gotta do some cord management though. Don't mind the cord. I'm gonna fix that. Alright, 766. How much this TV costs? I've had this TV. This TV was kicking around, so. Just realized you guys can't see my totals. I don't want to be hiding nothing. I don't want to go on I don't want to go on Trading View and then hide all the accounts and everything. P&Ls. All right. 7:59 here. Just chilling. Waiting for something that looks good here. Let's go, Roman. Stay patient, my friend. You got this. But base hit stacker, I mean, TVs nowadays, a TV like that probably costs like $100 bucks, $150. It's only like a 40 inch whatever, which I used to think was a huge TV. Remember that? But it's it fits in that space perfectly. Exclamation point pond if you guys want to join the giveaway. Does it look like a bull flag to me? No, maybe on a smaller time frame, not on the 5-minute though. Yeah, maybe on a 1 minute. Could make that argument. Kind of need some volume though. But yeah, push back up to 760s might make a good argument for a long. So I had a great time in Florida. That was fun. Nice down there. Here we are. He's getting a little push back up here. We do have the top of the hour here, and well, about 13 minutes or so. I've been looking at the hourly a lot lately. Did I do any fishing, Joseph? I did not, but I did go out on a fishing pier and was talking to some fishermen. They were catching snook and some other fish. Looked fun. I mean, pretty good sized fish. All right, pushing up through 766 here. There it goes. Oh no, Ethan. Lost all your points. I'd love to go fishing down there. I'd love to go do some Florida offshore fishing. It looks like some fun. She did. She won $25,000. Terry trades 100. Pretty awesome. Well, yeah, right. That's right. Methodical. That's right. We need our cut. The coaches. We know she was trading inside bars, so yeah, it looks like you might do another tournament, so that'll be fun. Tried to sign up for that trade day tournament, Myth, and my the code that I'm supposed to use to get my account to trade on did not work. So I don't know what's up. Should have held it long, yeah. Yeah, sometimes Roman, like, I was actually talking about this today with someone, like, you know, it's tough to have tight stops. I mean, you got to be laser, you got to have laser entries, right, with NQ. And if you watch someone like Tom Hugard or whatever, he'll have 50, 60 point stops, right? But he sized accordingly to take that loss. Like your bias off the rip was we're going to go long. Then it looked like we were going short. And then, you know, so you kind of got chopped up, which, you know, totally fine. Because I've done it the same thing. But, like, let's just say, for instance, you got in long where you did. And then you just put, like, a 50 point stop. And then let it see what it does, you know. Obviously, you got to size accordingly. But that's kind of what the way he trades. Especially during New York. I mean, if you try to have like a 10, 15 point stop, 20 point stop, it's tough. Because you can be right about the direction, but then, you know, and still get stopped out if you have a tight stop. Because how many times, you know, you get stopped out and then it just goes your way. It just keeps going. But the reason why we do it is because most of the time we're oversized. Because, you know, with props, we can trade minis with a $2,000 account, you know? And, yeah, we ended up getting smoked. Yeah, exactly, his Royal. Yeah, tight stops on NASDAQ, no good, right. So, yeah, I know you've been trading like some of the larger time frames, and so you have to use wider stops. If you're trading off the 15, you know, and you're looking at the bigger picture, it's like, you can't just like go long here and then place a stop here. You know, you have to place it at least down here, or maybe down past the VWAP, or below this candle, or something. You know, and if you're trading minis, it's pretty hard to do. So, up and to the right. That's right, Carlos. Let's go. You long scalp ripper. Good luck. 769.75. You want to scalp up? You don't know. Right now we're just putting in a bullish channel. We are just going up and to the right. But we'll see. Already out? Nice. Markets are open all week. Getting the pullback here. 769 is down to 757. All right, getting a little bit of pullback here, kind of an engulfing candle. Could make an argument that we might roll over and push back down to the VWAP here. ES is pulling back as well. see, what time we got? We got a few minutes for the top of the hour. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking about taking a short here. Just trying to think. Yeah, I'm gonna take a short. Stop at the high, but I'm probably gonna move it. Looking to take profit down around the VWAP. I think if we get down close to 750s, I'll probably move the stop. Try to take off some risk. Stops at the high. Risking quite a bit. 285. Yo, what is up? Michael, what's up? Yeah, no, Coach Fred, yeah. Yeah. Yo, Slade. I know, I'm working on it. Oh, it's all good, Ethan. Just need 8 points with 20 contracts for second funding ticks to hit. Oh, nice, Scalp Ripper. Yeah, I'd like to get down to the BDH. I'm going to try this tournament if he does this tournament, and then, I mean, it's going to be thousands of people, so the chances of getting in 5th place be a little bit tough, but sounds like it's going to be open to about everyone. If you guys are just tuning in, I got 2 live feeds going up. One over on the mobile side and one on the full screen. So I appreciate you guys hanging out. If you're over on the mobile side and you want to come check me out on the full screen, see all my fancy disco lights on the TV or whatever, then come on over. Isn't it affiliates only? I don't know, Coach Fred. Well, the trade day one, this is a trade day one too, but Patrick Whelan's talking about doing another tournament. So that one that Terry was in and stuff was such a big success on his channel that he wants to do more, so yeah, trade day. I'm supposed to be in that one, Fred. That one's for affiliates, and I tried to sign. Well, I'm all signed up. I tried to get my account. They sent me basically looks like a coupon code, a free coupon code to get my free account, and it was not working today. So I don't really know. I sent him an email. Worst comes to worst, I'll just buy one, but. It'll be fun. It's a 5-week tournament, so see how many affiliates can keep their account for 5 weeks. We'll see. I have to use 30-point stops at least in NQ or I'll get stopped out, Michael. Yeah, for sure. 100%. Yeah, it's tough. All right, top of the hour here. Kind of a weird little 5-minute candle there. Oh, you gotta pass the eval and then get funded with them? This sounds like work, methodical. I just want the account and then start going in. Max contracts. I am short, Roman. Stops at 770. If I get stopped out on this trade right here, this account will be hurt in the back pocket. I will not continue to trade this account. I'll trade something different. Methodical, do you have to pay for it though? Because I mean, the coupon code, it looks like they sent a coupon code that I could use, thinking that it was a free account, even if it had to trade to eval. Let me read over that email again. Yeah, I tried to get to 150K. Also, you need to use a different email to sign up. Yeah, I did that too. I did that. I just the number wouldn't work. Try to get to 150K, end of day account. Please do not trade this account before October 1st. I tried. Hey, I don't know. I'll just, if I don't get an email by, well, I have to sign up by tomorrow night. So if I don't get an email by tomorrow afternoon or whatever, I did email them, see if they get it fixed. But if I don't, then I'll just buy the account, I guess. All right, getting push up here. Con, what time? So my favorite my favorite inside bar strategy comes from after the New York Open, so 9:30 Eastern time, and then I look for the very first inside bar of the New York session, and then that's the one I'd like to trade. All right, still pushing higher here. Safety account, nice. You say stop too close. Yeah, it's let's see here. Take a little heat here. All right, coming back down here to the entry. Sorry, I was playing with one of these strobe lights. I got distracted. I was messing around with it. You notice I only trade from 1700 to 1900. No, Con. So I only stream from 1700 to 1900. I trade all day and all night, seems like sometimes. But no, I only stream during 17 to 1900. So, but I look for the same setup. So if you kind of rewind the stream, I'm basically I talked through some of my trades that I took tonight, and basically I just look for the outside bar breaks, look for inside bar breaks, bear flags, bull flags. That's basically what I was looking for. So yeah, inside bars tend not to work as well when they're super low volume like there is during Globex Open, because what happens is, you know, you take an inside bar, it acts as like consolidation, so it's putting a lot of pressure. So when you have the bulls and the bears just fighting it out on one particular spot, it's putting in that inside bar, right? Because it's just consolidating back and forth, and then you look for one to break to the opposite side, and then that kind of gets rid of one side. So if you get to break to the upside, gets rid of the bears, and then it keeps going, and that's kind of the theory behind it. Yo, JD54 in the house, what is up? Joshua Johnson, thank you so much for the sub. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you guys want to join the giveaway. We will do a giveaway in about 45 minutes. I'm giving away any size Apex account. You can get a 300K, you can get a static account, you can get a 50K, whatever you want. Apex currently 80% off. $85 is the $85 activation fee, I believe. Let me double check this. I don't want to say something that's wrong. $80% off. 150, 250, and 300Ks are $79.40, and for the first month, and lifetime PA fees are $85 for all sizes. So $85. Appreciate it if you use code PINE. All right, putting an inside bar here. Broke to the downside of this inside bar, so not looking too bad. Stops at 770. We'll see what happens. Yeah, $85 lifetime is sweet bean, for sure. Joshua Johnson, you're from the Pine Tree State. So ain't I. That's how I got my name. Yeah. From the state of Maine. Welcome. We don't have many Mainas. We have a few. Chef Chris is a Maina. Boston in the house. Let's go. Southern Maine, Josh. Yeah, I'm from Central. I'm up near Augusta. Welcome. Anyone here originally from Montreal but living in the Philippines with a business address in the Caymans? Not really. I just kind of let the probabilities play out, right? So like the first inside bar, like if I'm hitting 70%, as long as as long as I keep trading that edge over and over and over again, it's gonna go up. You know, statistically, it's gonna keep going higher, right? So it's basically just playing the probabilities and the percentages. So yeah, as far as filtering out certain inside bars, I mean, I have nothing that's like systematic. You know, it's kind of just reading the price action and stuff. If I do rule out taking an inside bar or whatever. Yusuf, thank you so much for the sub. Appreciate you. Kato in the house from North Dakota. Let's go. Where's everyone from? We haven't done one of these in a while. Where's everyone from? If you guys want to say, if you guys are on you know, witness protection, you don't have to say, but so I'm originally from Maine. Arizona, Taylor, what is up? Oh, another Arizona. 2 Arizonas back to back. Let's go. From the prop firm streets, Batman Cat. From the prop firm streets. Canada, let's go. Oregon, Jersey. Down under. Nice. Colorado. I'd love to visit Colorado. Lisbon. I'm assuming you're not talking about Lisbon, Maine. We have a Lisbon, Maine that's pretty close to where I live, actually. Wisconsin, let's go. Chef Chris, yep, Maniac. Yo, Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Let's go, Con. I love New Orleans. Lisbon, Portugal. Let's go. Hawaii. I'd love to visit Hawaii, too. Boston. Beantown. The Red Sox are in the playoffs, right? Let's go, Red Sox. Yo, North Carolina. Love it. Michigan. Yankees. Uh-oh. 2 times says Yankees. Don't cheer for Boston. I got to. I have to. I'm from Maine. We cheer for Boston teams generally. Albuquerque. Morocco. That's cool. Red Sox, Yankees, that's going to be great. The Bison Nation, yeah. Yeah, that's going to be great, man. Huh? Like, it's not set up. Boston, Yankees, playoffs. I might actually have to watch. I don't even usually watch baseball, so now I can be a fair weather fan. And Patriots are kind of eh. They look pretty good at times, but I don't know if they're a playoff team. All sports are set up. Yeah, yeah. So it's definitely rigged. Yeah, the Pats. Yeah, they're. I'm excited. I mean, I'm excited. I'm excited what they're doing, but it's still a rebuilding process, right? I'm still waiting on my season ticket. I've been on the Patriots season ticket waiting list for I don't know, 12 years now. Hold on one second. I gotta make this phone call. All right, I'm back. Yo, Chris, what is up? Exclamation point Pine in the chat. If you guys want to join the giveaway, giving away any size Apex account. You have to go over to the full screen version if you guys want to join. Unfortunately, Streamlabs only works on the full screen, so. Alright, we are short here. 755.75 is doing nothing. It is chopping sideways. Unfortunately, did not get that push down like I thought. Market's just consolidating, possibly putting in a big, giant bull flag here. Thank you, Jinzo. Yeah, I don't know which one I like. I've been playing around with a bunch of them, so I appreciate that. The picture was taken when I was at my cousin's wedding. So I was just... Someone snapped a photo of that, and when I was staring out into the... Probably thinking about inside bars. I was just streaming out into the horizon, thinking about the ultimate inside bar short for 200 points. And someone snapped a photo and thought it was a pretty good photo, so. All right. We are just going sideways now. How you guys doing? You guys doing all right? Gold is chopping the VWAP. NQ, the theory on the short was the break off this inside bar down into the VWAP. That's all I was really looking for. Just a little scalp, but let's go, Caleb. Start a new trade day account. If you guys are interested in trade day, Pine with a capital P. If you guys want to try trade day out, get those daily payouts. I love those daily payouts. So pretty good deals on trade day right now. I also listened to an interview with James Thorpe, one of the founders of Trade Day. Pretty good interview. Oh, I can't wait to watch Futures for Our Futures. Terry's Terry's in it. Says Rena's ICT crystals didn't see this coming. Patrick versus Rena meltdown. It's gonna be interesting. Short and gold. Real Chad, nice. Oof. Gold. Yeah, I don't know. Good luck. Possibly, yeah. I can see it push down. Probably won't. I don't know. We'll see what if it moves before the 8 o'clock open. So, what happened to the Patrick situation? Just got disqualified, and Terry won, basically. But you know, you guys know what I know. Furby, yeah, sure. I've been short for like 20 minutes now. Yeah, on NQ, Furby. Yeah, it got, yeah, Ethan. Well, it wasn't, I don't really know. Yeah, it was just, I mean, Patrick just said he didn't want that, the drama anymore, so that was basically it. It got kind of crazy on Twitter. Thanks you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. Some new faces in here tonight. I appreciate you guys stopping in. I stream every single night, 6 to 8. But you never know. I might pop in during New York session, depending on. Possibly maybe a little bit more this week. I don't know. We'll see. See how I'm feeling. See how I'm trading. Alright, we are pushing up higher. This account seems to be cursed tonight. So I am trading a funded My Funded Futures core account. Which sessions do I trade? So I stream from 6 to 8 Eastern time. So that's when I stream. Basically every single night. As soon as about 5:45 Eastern time, I'll be on, and then I stream mostly during New York. I mean, I trade mostly during New York. Yeah, I trade all day, pretty much, Furby. Yeah, this is what I do for a living. So I just like if the market's open, I'm trading. This is ugly. Getting that bull flag break. Bottom of the hour. Oh, thanks, man. Or girl. I don't know. I call everyone man too, so sometimes I can't tell by the names. All right, taking a little heat down 185 on this trade. Oh, nice, your girl. Welcome. Yeah, it's like my channel's about 98.9% male, so. But yeah, welcome. But yeah, we have a bunch of female traders that pop in the chat, which is cool. Yeah, Chef Chris, you are one of the... Wow. All right. Okay. Yeah. Oh, what happened to my stop? I must have got rid of it. Anyways, we are down 474 on this account. I will not trade this account. Now that account is put away. Let's fire up a different account. That one hurt. So, very bullish. Basically just put in another bull flag here. And just kept going, so. Ethan's fading me. He's fading me, making all kinds of money. This could be, yeah. This could be the manipulation and drop. It's all good, Ethan. Yeah, no, it's all good. Someone's gonna be long and short. That's what makes the market. Let's see. Yeah, I'll just... Exclamation point pine in the chat, guys, if you guys want to join the giveaway. I'm giving away any size Apex account. If you guys want to do that, we'll do a moose race in about 15 minutes or so. We'll fire up the moose race. On Apex, nope. Any size Apex account right now. Well, I don't know. I don't know if you guys. I don't know if you'll get the. Excuse me. I don't know if you'll get the promotion for the free eval or not. But right now, if you buy an Apex account for 80% off, it's an $85 activation fee. So 80% off, $85 activation fees. Bulenox is 91% off. I just picked up a few Bulenox accounts myself. Especially if you guys like Bulenox, you guys trade like Project X. You know, get the old Bulenox. I talked about it last week. I ended up losing that account that I had since July 16th. Got 3 payouts on it. So I got a few Bulenox accounts that I'm working on. There's one right here. Get the Halloween theme going on with these Bulenox accounts. Okay, next trade. Thank you. Yeah, PA fees are the same right now. Generally, they're the same anyway. Unless they run a deal where the bigger accounts are just $85 activation fee, but right now they're all the same. So I gotta pick up some more myself. All right, continue to push higher here. So if you guys are just tuning in, I was trading these funded accounts. I got $100 on each for a couple base hits. These ones, they're on their way to getting the max payout. So this one down here, down 474. Not looking too hot. That's okay. 3 out of 4 ain't bad, right? So, but I don't want to do any more damage to this core count because it is funded. So I'm gonna switch to this Bulenox eval, and if I see anything, then I might sling it around. But I paid $15.75 for this eval, so I currently have no master accounts with Bulenox right now. I am master accountless. What up, Martin? Yeah, we are in bullish mode for sure. We are just up and to the right. Blues master accounts too, JD54. Yeah, I had a really nice run with them, so I am very much net profitable with Bulenox. I've pretty much been crushing them over the last 3 months or so. Probably gotten 8, 9 payouts or more. Just really kind of been crushing them. You want to see me trade at the BDH? I want to go to the BDH. Yeah. Looks like fun. What size accounts do I trade on Bulenox? 50Ks, generally. Just because they don't put the 25Ks on 90% off anymore. The BDH is Patrick Whelan's studio. I have a BDH t-shirt now. All right, we're just grinding higher. Check out that BDH t-shirt right there. Trying to get on that. Trying to get in there. So you can have 3 master accounts, Jake. So 3 master accounts with Bulenox, up to 11. So basically, if you get 1 master account up over the buffer, then you can activate another account. So you can have 4 and then so on. And you get more over the buffer, and then you can activate up to 11. And you can have 11 traded at once. That's it. But basically, you can start out with 3 right off the rip. And copy trade them if you wanted to. Alright, we're just grinding higher here. Possible inside bar here, but it's tough to take any shorts at the moment. But did get some rejection there. 774. Nice solo. Sometimes I trade gold. Yeah, when I'm feeling a little daring. Get a little break of this inside bar. I'm just going to try it. Maybe we push down to the VWAP towards... towards the old Tokyo Open. Stop at 771, entry at 759. See if we can sweep, 755s or whatever, and get a push down towards that. The VWAP. Yeah, sometimes I'll trade gold. Not too often. Especially when it's like this. Very choppy. If you start getting some nice volatility back and forth, and it looks like the inside bars are working on that volatility, then I will hop in gold trades. All right, let me see if I can get the old moose race fired up. Let's go. Get signed in here. Put my password in. Password is Pine1234. Oops, mic was on. Hot mic. All right. Couple minutes, we will I'll close down the moose race and we'll do it. All right, let's see if we get a little push down. Let's see if we get a little pullback to the VWAP, at least maybe down to the 750s. Not looking for much, just 9 points, 10 points, but yeah, the volume kind of sucks right now. Solo trader, to enter the giveaway, so put in an exclamation point Pine, it enters you into a giveaway. I am giving away any size Apex account of your choice. So basically, put in that, and then you'll join the moose race. You want to join any giveaways? You don't have to. It's about the easiest giveaway. You don't have to subscribe to nothing. You don't have to follow me on Instagram and Twitter and all that stuff. It just goes into Streamlabs, and then I just copy and paste your names. It's all good. Need to be one giving. Oh, nice, solo trader. Well, there is a donation button down there. I heard. No, I'm just kidding. I'm totally joking. Yeah, awesome. How do you increase the candlestick size on Project X? I just use the mouse button. I just do this. So I just go onto the price side of the screen, and you just scroll up and down. Alright, so I'm fighting the trend. I keep going short. I've been struck out at least 3 times trying to go short in this market, and it's continuing to push higher. So 3 strikes and I'm out on the shorts. So looks like we might get stopped out here. We might get lucky. Stops where it's at. We'll see. Yeah, I'm leaving it on. We'll see if we hit it. It's going back to 753. It could, yeah. Don't know when. But right now we are going higher. A little lucky on a stop there. Oh. Hey, Solo Train. I was totally joking, by the way. You didn't have to do that. I appreciate you. Welcome to the stream, too. I don't think I've seen your name in there. Let's go. Let's give it up. Let's smash the like button for Solo Trader. Smash the confetti. Very generous. $10. Hey. That'll buy me a couple McDoubles tonight. I'll take it. Let's go. I appreciate you. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you so much for using code PINE. I can't believe the growth of the channel. We are approaching 4,000 subs, which is amazing. And just a few, well, maybe, when did I really get serious about streaming? Maybe 8 months ago. So I appreciate you. All right, let's do the giveaway, huh? Exclamation point and Pine. I'll give you guys 2 minutes. This says 647 up here in the top left. You just can't see it on the mobile side, but come on over to the full screen size. The link is in the chat. If you're on the mobile side, come on over. Punch in exclamation point Pine. It won't work if you're on the mobile side. And we'll do it. If I can find the it's all right. $168 people in it so far. It's gonna be a lot of meese. A lot of meese. All right, give you guys 30 seconds. Oh, nice, Furby. When you started trading full time, let's go. 8 months ago. I've been trading since 2021. Thank you, Fiber Splice. Bullish week or bearish week? Yeah, real quick, just before I shut off the giveaway. So I was kind of looking at this LS funded scalper. I was looking at the daily, and basically, even though you guys just saw me take a couple shorts, I did take a couple longs though. But I kind of had a bullish little bias when the market opened tonight. Put in a nice little bull flag here. Market's obviously overall bullish. Put in a nice inside bar. We broke this to the upside, and it's paying off. It's basically been pushing up ever since on this daily chart on NQ. So feeling a little bullish right now. Anyways, all right, let's do this giveaway, huh? You only need to enter once, so please smash the like button. How many likes do we got? Is it over 100? It's over 100. It's not over 100, then Oh, yeah. Thank you so much. Alright, here we go. Closing entries. Nice, Keith. That's what I should have been doing. Kept looking for that short down to the VWAP, which never came, which right now we are just pushing higher, so. Alright, moose race time, guys. Good luck. Here we go. Don't worry, we'll do another giveaway tomorrow. If you didn't get in this one. All right, here we go. I love chuck roast on the outside. Chef Chris up there in the top right. Let's see. It's hard to see the names. Hard to see it if you're on mobile as well. Smashing. Thank you, Norberto Sanchez. Thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate you. Francis on the outside. Melody Trader. Who's going to win this any size Apex account? Visible ID. Methodical Man out to our lead here with 17 seconds to go. Oh, he's fading though. He's fading. He doesn't have the stamina, I don't think. Who's it going to be? Oh, someone's pulling up. The Shane Boss, are you here? Shane Boss. $30 seconds to claim the prize. Yes, let's go, Shane Boss. Congratulations. Let's go. Congrats. Let's see who finished last. Mighty Me finished last. His Royal Trade's down on the bottom. Roman down on the bottom. Congratulations, Shane Boss. So, let's see. Shane, are you part of the Discord by chance? If not, that's perfectly okay. If anyone wants to join the Discord, the link's right there in the chat. It's free. Free Discord. Place for people to hang out when the stream's not on. People post some good stuff in there. If you're part of the Discord, Shane, then I can DM you really easily. If not, then we can do it a different way. Market's still pushing up here, 776. Nice, Shane, joining now. Sweet. Yeah, if anyone wants to join the Discord, the link's pinned to the chat. I'll pin it over to the mobile side as well if you guys want to join there. Thursday high, yeah, Keith, yeah, for sure. Yeah, we broke yesterday's high, Friday's high. Yeah, continue to push higher. We got Tokyo opening here in about 6 minutes or so. How many accounts am I trading right now, Tran? So I got 2 top 1 accounts. I have 4. I'm just using funded accounts. I have 2 Take Profit Trader funded accounts. I have 4 My Funded Future funded accounts. And what am I forgetting? I think that's it right now. Yeah. It's not a whole lot, but enough. Just join the Discord. Let's go. Shane, I'll take care of you in just a few minutes when I hop off stream here. I'm gonna trade? Nice, Keith. I see you up there. All right, we continue to push higher. See, I'll take care of that right now for you, Shane. There you go, Shane. Sent you that code. And yeah, use that for any size Apex account. So congratulations. Hope you pass it and get to a payout. And then send me half. Right? That's the deal. Okay, that's done. You do your best. Let's go. Love to see it. Love the profile picture. Is that your dirt bike? Is that you on the dirt bike? His Royal Trades. Yeah, I'm anxious to watch it. I'm actually really anxious to watch it. I see Terry's in it, so. One big touch from Yes Design. You just raced today? That's awesome. Yeah, I used to, I don't want to say I used to race, but I used to ride dirt bike. That's awesome. Yeah, I learned how to ride a dirt bike before I learned how to ride a regular bicycle when I was like, you know, a little kid. I had a little Yamaha, I think a little Yamaha 50 or something it was. and it was yellow. It was pretty awesome. I lived right next to a gravel pit, so, and I wasn't really supposed to go down into the gravel pit, but then I'd sneak down there sometimes, play with the big boys, and then my mother would get so pissed off. But yeah, it was fun. Alright guys, I think I'm going to call it there. Played some pretty good trades, had a good start. Proceeded to give some back. Down 232 on that Buellanox, down 474 on this funded core account down here. This one's kind of been doomed. I don't think I like this funded account number, so I'll just get rid of it. No, I'm just kidding, but looking really good on these My Funded Future core accounts. Grinding towards another payout. I took a payout last Thursday night on this one up here, this funded account, $800. Instant payouts with My Funded Futures. If you guys want to try out My Funded Futures or Buellanox, 91% off, Apex, Trade Day, Lucid, Take Profit Trader, pretty much all of them. Use code PINE to help support this channel, and you know, I really appreciate it, guys. So if you're buying an account, plug in PINE. The only one that's weird is Trade Day. It's PINE with a capital P. So appreciate you, and we'll do it again tomorrow. So hit the notification bell. You never know when I will pop on. Thinking about doing some more streams this week during the New York session. Thinking about it. We'll see how things go. See how I feel. And see how the accounts are going. It's the main thing. Yeah, because it is hard. Guys, it is hard to trade and stream. It is hard. It's not easy. So shout out to all the other fellow streamers that actually show their entries, their P&Ls, and talk about their trades. It's not easy, so I'll see you guys tomorrow for sure. And stay tuned for the little end scene here. End scene. See you later, guys. Peace.
Yeah, yo, check the strategy, simple and clean. Pine tree in the building, the trading machine. I'm looking at the charts, not for no drama, just for that sweet setup. Call it the inside bar gamma. It's a tight squeeze, a moment of pause, breaking to the upside or the downside without flaws. It's my bread and butter, my daily routine, capturing them moves, living the dream. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pair of trees on the road, putting skills to the test. Yeah. See, the market's a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed mic. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day, cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm here for the consistency that daily payouts bring. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader,